Hello everyone, I wanted to show you just a really simple technique using one of our stencils. So right here we have one of our stencils. These are the size that are best for pendants. They are about 1.5 inches square. So what I've done here, I've rolled out some polymer clay and 1/4 inch, and I have our stencil here. Sometimes I like to roll over a little bit, and that helps keep it in place and also makes a nice impression. And then what you do is just take some mica powder. I'm using a silver white today, and do it before it's baked. So I'm just literally going over our stencil here with some of this beautiful pearly mica powder. And you'll see how easy this is, and hopefully it'll inspire you to do some of these because they're really easy and really fun. And hopefully you'll get some of our stencils. So I just coat it so I don't see the clay anymore. I'm also going to add a little bit of this color shift powder. This is a blue because I kind of want it to have an interesting depth to it here. So this is just going to add a little bit more of a something to it and make it a little less white. You can leave it white or, pick whatever color you want. I like to use a contrasting color. So there we've got it completely covered. And you get to see, I'm going to pull it up here. See how pretty that is. And then you can cut whatever shape you want. This one I'm probably going to end up doing a round. So, and then I'm going to add a little bit of effects and things to this, but you can keep it as simple or as complicated as you want to. But I just wanted to show you how easy this is. This will bake, and it will keep the mica powder on it in this pattern as long as you don't smear it or anything. So I hope you enjoyed this, and stay crafty, stay creating. Have a nice day.